Local levels breaking pattern. This graphical pattern includes exponential moving averages with a period of 13. It can be selected with the help of technical analysis instruments. Determining the maximum and minimum of the moving average will help determine the points of market access. With the help of graphical analysis instruments, you will create maximum and minimum horizontal lines for this indicator. Many traders believe that a good point of entering the market and buying the call option is the moment when the moving average penetrates the maximum value line. And conversely, when the moving average penetrates the minimum value line, many market players opt to buy the put option. We wish you successful trading